Hey everyone, David Mwangi here, and today we're diving into the electrifying world of AC systems, focusing on safety. Grounding in alternating current or AC systems is one of the most critical safety measures in electrical installations. It's like wearing a seatbelt in a car. You might not need it every time, but when you do, it can be a real lifesaver. Safety first, always. Imagine this. You're using a power tool, and there's a fault in its wiring. Suddenly, the metal casing becomes energized. Without proper grounding, that electrical current would travel through you, the path of least resistance to reach the ground. But with a grounding wire connected to the tool's metal casing, any fault current will bypass you entirely and flow safely into the earth. Think of the grounding wire as a detour sign for electricity, redirecting it away from you and keeping you out of harm's way. By providing a low-resistance path to the earth, grounding significantly reduces the risk of electric shock. Our electronic devices are like our companions. We rely on them for communication, entertainment and work. Electrical surges, sudden spikes in voltage, can be caused by lightning strikes, power outages, or even just turning on a large appliance. These surges are like tidal waves of electricity, and without proper grounding, they can overwhelm your devices and cause serious damage. A grounded system acts like a surge protector, providing a pathway for that excess electricity to flow safely into the earth. By keeping voltage levels stable and providing a path for surge currents to dissipate, grounding helps to extend the lifespan of your valuable electronics. Grounding minimizes the impact of power surges, keeping your devices humming along. We all know that electricity and fire don't mix. It's a recipe for disaster. Grounding plays a crucial role in preventing electrical fires. When electrical wires overheat due to excessive current flow, they can become a serious fire hazard. Grounding acts like a fire extinguisher, providing a low-resistance path for the excess current to flow safely into the earth. By diverting the current away from the overloaded wires, grounding helps to prevent them from overheating and potentially igniting nearby flammable materials. This is especially important in older buildings with outdated wiring, where the risk of electrical fires is higher. You've probably heard of circuit breakers and fuses. Those little heroes that protect our electrical systems from overloads and short circuits. Circuit breakers and fuses are designed to interrupt the flow of electricity when they detect a fault, such as an overload or a short circuit. However, for these devices to function correctly, they need a reliable ground connection. During a fault, the grounding wire provides a low-resistance path for the excess current to flow into the earth. This surge in current through the grounding wire is what triggers the circuit breaker to trip or the fuse to blow, effectively shutting off the flow of electricity and preventing further damage. Grounding ensures that circuit breakers and fuses can do their job effectively. We've talked about how grounding keeps us safe from shocks, protects our devices, and prevents fires. But there's another important benefit to grounding: voltage stabilization. For our electrical systems to function properly, the voltage levels need to be consistent throughout the system. Grounding helps to maintain stable voltage levels by providing a common reference point for the entire electrical system. By connecting all electrical equipment to this common ground, we create a stable and balanced electrical environment. This stability is essential for the safe and efficient operation of everything from our computers and smartphones to our refrigerators and air conditioners. That's it for today, but before you go, let's remember that proper grounding in AC systems is not just a technical requirement. It is a fundamental safety measure that protects people, property, and equipment. It reduces the risk of electric shock, prevents electrical fires, and ensures that circuit protection devices function correctly. Ensuring that all electrical installations are grounded according to established safety standards is essential for safeguarding lives and property. Stay curious, stay safe, and I'll see you next time.